Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Here at Kids Unlimited and Childcare Business Vault is where you can be rest assured to get valuable information about childcare and childcare business startups. So if we are meeting for the first time, welcome. You want to consider subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever we post a new video, which is every Wednesday. I am your host, Joy Phoebe Omuka. In today's video, I want to quickly break down for you how much parents pay for their children that are in the daycare here in Alberta. Very quickly, the childcare fees in Alberta is broken down into three. You have the affordability grant, you have the subsidy, and then the parent portion. The affordability grant is provided to every family whose family gross income is less than $180,000. And affordability grant is based on age of your children. So depends on the age of your child. That determines how much affordability grant you will get for that child. Everybody does not get equal amount. However, for subsidy, everybody within the same income threshold get the same amount. And with subsidy, if your family gross income is less than $120,000, then you will be eligible for full subsidy, which is $266. However, if your family gross income is higher than $120,000 but lower than $180,000, you will still get subsidy, but again it will be a lesser amount of $266. So it depends on which band your income falls into, and that will determine how much you will get. And then if you add your subsidy to your affordability grant, the difference is what you will pay as your parents' portion. I give you an example. If your childcare fees is $1,200, and then let's say your affordability grant you are eligible for is $600, and then your subsidy is $266, that's $866. So it means you're going to be paying $1,200 minus $866. So the difference is what you pay. So that is how the childcare fees are determined here in Alberta. Now, if you want to know specifically for you how much you're eligible for, leave your question in the comment section with the age of your child. I'm not asking for date of birth, just if your child is 2 years old, 4 years old, stuff like that, then I'll be more than happy to provide you with specific information about how much you pay for your childcare fees here in Alberta. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you very much for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next week. Until then, bye for now.